How's it going? So I got me a little bitty tool haul from Matco today. Well, only got a few things in it, but two of the things are on back order, of course, and one of them's been on back order for 3 weeks. But let's see what we got. Start out with, ordered a few pocket knives, which I really should have got them off Amazon. They were cheaper, but got a Schrade. I think that's how you say it. Shoot. Decent little knife. Smith Wesson. Oh yeah. I guess that's the part number for that. And here's the Schrade. Well, there's the Schrade. Glass. This one's pretty cool. Feels weird. It's kind of got a rubber texture to it. It's probably the best one. Alright, enough of those. Now the biggest thing I got, the only reason I made this order, also these bad boys. 10-piece screwdriver set. I had the 8-piece green and orange, but these went on sale, so sold those, and you wouldn't guess how much I paid for these. Let's see. I mean, everybody knows Wit makes these, but probably got them cheaper than I would have. If you got the student discount, these went on sale for like half a month in the beginning of October. They're still on sale, but they've went up. Got these for $62. Get this out of the phone. Okay. It's got a different case than the other ones. The other ones were plastic. This is foam. A little bitty. I don't know how I feel about that grippy stuff. Like felt. I think that'll come off. But we'll see. These are different than the other screwdrivers I had. I think I like those better, but I don't know how I feel about that felt. But just wanted to tell y'all what I really dislike about Matco. So you order something on the website, because I'm not a mechanic, I don't have a dealer. it doesn't tell you if it's on back order. So you order something like the big thing I got coming, and it's been over 3 weeks now. And something else that's been on back order for over a week. But if they would just put out of stock or back ordered, that would make me feel a lot better before you order it, because that would change a lot of people's minds. But yeah. Y'all have a good day. Subscribe.